Iya kami yang itu, oh, kita tahu. Video dia pernah apa? Oh, orang suami anda.
Bayi,
Armo kan jadi mohon. Lihat hangat ngau lai sport.
yang sudah di film.
Oh, ada. Armo,
Main invite di film.
Invite di film di sini, invite di film.
Main itu di film.
Aku dia tiga ini. Oh, emang ini. Aku dah deh.
Tunggu.
Fikir siapa?
Saya open ke peruyung ini.
Lihat saya. Lihat dah saya penyu. Lihat kau yang bilang kerja. Tapi mana dia buat? Pengalah hangat ngah. Kau ini kita biang di biang saya di lem yang pi. Lem ya. Tengah ada orang lain tu lem cang ngau lai.
Lem cang di
Lem cang ngau lai.
Mana kalau minum? Mana kalau minum?
Tosar coba coba. Ya kelam jai Kuat dulu i. Le bai fusong le. Le so le. Le. Di so le. Pi tu buat. Pi online siapa? Le ba iu.
Du pai, du puro mi pi. Ilah choi kelam di peruyung iu he yang ini sok pun.
Ilah choi kelam di
online itu tu kan.
Ini pajak di buat.
Ba iu maintain yang law order ini dok area ni maintain yang law order.
Baik kami pilih jalan arpe mulia iya iya. Tapi baik
iu maintain yang law order iwan ini.
Ele maintain hang pretty sure hang problem dah yung Ukraine ni lem maintain view Philippines
Tahu yang nongtrei Dalmia ni dah pak order ni.
dah tu ye no ile hau belum ye cai kelam dah ini ya.
Kelam yang sok yang kelam cai.
Arboy dia ya. Besnya api. Ngai am kamu lai sport betul tak kau dengar. Kamu am gitu perlu lai sport ngalem hok kamu am hok ngalem hok. Mita lem am hok pilar am hok pitang lai kelab le. Lem cha dengar lem
kamte kamu.
Aram hok mengalem hok lai sport.
Man
Awak am hok lai sport. Bila kang pingau lai sport ngalem hok lai sport. Dia tahu dia pinjam hok betul lai. Boleh dia perap cai. Nanti lihat mi abstrak ngau potrik serban abstrak ngau tadi laga crime. Tadi laga crime abstrak ngau hadu dia.
Section dong, benar dong.
Mi abstrak ngau. Benar dong. Mi ni khalang ngau le hadu dia.
Tumai le.
Tulai. Ada kalau mi bersama tu pi dalam macam. Tadi laga crime liam.
Tak.
Tadi laga crime liam.
Ada orang pigam tu. Mut pi.
Crime tu
apa kali pi peruyung ni.
Ada mau bakli tu tang kelam yo tu bakli mi.
Dah bakli.
Bakli ni.
Bakli itu dah itu.
Kemain tu.
Bakli laga crime
Dah itu ti binong i dah wan ini.
Mai tu kelai binong pinyang. Tip chop.
Elai mah. Mi kelam ham kelam re mi tu sang tu. Teman kata tu crime liam ngau abstrak ngau.
Baik, kelam.
Itu tinggal lihat itu wan itu tinggal itu di arwan ada personal ini.
Burom
Arwan personal ini. Arwan dena ini mah.
Acu abu.
Arwan yo paya mento em ya.
Hari ini kamai. Hari ini kamai. Islam JSM. Islam JSM. Islam JSM. Ceruk bilang diasra. Ceruk bilang diasra. Ceruk bilang diasra. Ceruk bilang diasra. Islam JSM. Islam JSM. Islam JSM.
In Pakistan Jantia Student Movement JSM kelayu ke jing ujol bagi kartu kaningut kinong trai baterai hak company Dalmia ke badan hatangsa East Jantia Hills minta kasih ke pratrik naiwing ajar alpuway kinong yalam bat kitkat kani kaseng kilahir sekani ke company bantu kelar ya kate ke kam. Hakane ke jingja lai iru belami katma ketin hapeng kipulat ke Jylla bat kitkat kaseng JSM. Hadien ke jing tuklar bakajing akran kaseng bat ki bor penya jong kate ke company ki nongtrei trai balasha be kam klayo lat biang baterai hakate company.
Dengar ku au manwa utakha. Dengar very clearly I said okay you do your own duty I'll do my own. I respect my friend that's why. Actually today also you should not be here.
Can I speak something?
Yeah, freely why not?
First is like, I don't know how you felt it, but there was no disrespect.
Disrespect is there, my brother. The way you talk to me, as if like I don't know what you think I am.
Because we spoke while Wilson in the speakerphone. Wilson was also there. There was no disrespecting him.
Ya, betul sih na.
The way you twist me, brother, like I am, like I'm ignorant, like I'm not educated person, man. You say that, I didn't get your point. Fuck, why didn't you get my point? My guys have been chased out from here. I told you very clearly that what is your action? You say that they're gonna be recruited again. I request you that mistake happens. You know, fighting is natural. In every place and everywhere you will be going, this you'll find. You'll find. But I don't know. What you think of the people of East Zambia, I don't know. You thought that maybe all these people are ignorant and uneducated, you thought. But we are not like that, brother. We are very dangerous, I'm telling you.
See, Wilson, he is in my team for a long time. You can ask him. There is no disrespect. You may have felt it, but there was no disrespect.
No, brother. I respect him. That's why I don't want to discuss things with you in a very harsh way.
Please ask him in front of me. Please ask him in front of me.
We were there together.
There was no disrespect.
If we not respect the
I don't
they
know,
will
huh?
come here only.
Then you can ask him in front of
You
me.
see.
No, not done what you have discussed, I don't know.
Yes,
But
yes.
the evening which we discussed, sir, then
So he felt disrespectful.
No. That day when we are discussing through you, that time though, he doesn't say anything. No? But before I call him, before you know all these things happen, he told me, who are you? That is
I don't know now who are you.
I told you now, brother, look, I am from one of the leader of NGO in Zambia.
You said who is
I told you
JSM?
that, I want to know the clear picture, what was happening in your company, that our guys have been chased
Right.
out.
And after that I said
And you said that, who are you? Are brother?
no. I wanted to know who are you, what is your name? Who are you?
You should have told me now, what's your good name, brother? I call you brother, right?
Right? You called
I
me.
told you, bro.
You called me on Thursday evening, and you said that you wanted to know that what is you started with that who are harassing your people.
Yes, I told you that.
Right. So I wanted to know that who are you, because I don't know. I don't have your number saved.
But at least you should say. But directly you say, who are you means in a very harsh way you say.
No. Who are you means I wanted to know who are you. I don't know. now.
You should have told me, oh brother, I would like to know you. Who are you? That is fine. But you
So that's what I'm saying. So that's what I'm saying. You took it.
Today, we from the JSM student movement, we have come here today to speak to them with one message. According to us, we have come to know that two of our people, they have been chased out from the workplace. The way they treat our people, it's not just Dalmia, it's been all around the student plan. We have come here today a simple power to show that our people, they have the blood that cries from the ground on our stem. Therefore, I speak to all authorities from here, from today onwards, there should not be no compulsivity on our people. Our people, their life matter to us. We are here to fight for them. Their salary has been delayed for how many months? And though the people from Assam, every month the payment has been cleared. What about our people? What about this director here? What is he sitting in his office here? Fighting for who? He's fighting for the people of our people. If he cannot stand, we will make sure we will make him sit down. There's many people who can stand on issues. Therefore, we from the JSM movement, we have a clear-cut message to the company from today onwards. There should be no harassment to our people. They cannot chase our people out unless there's a very crucial or critical stage. Thank you.
Ina kaliang ka JSM student movement baru agabi Hadien pada yo iya ka jing complain nagi prado prasnam yung i wa krek ha ka simen plan Dalmia cement factory bercabe krek gi karon te ina kaliang i uya kun i nakamta yung jai brug yung i na wan ini wa tuklar heto yung kaniga kam Hadien wa yaklami wa local director yung kaniga Dalmia cement factory dah kloi pada biang gi u e krek biang ya gi bru yung i prado prasnam gi wa krek ini bercabe krek Lalu itu nama le, wah siapa lah cucu ini liang kesing, awak ipoi hak ni ke Dalmia cement factory siapa lagi, wagi polis, DM cuagi, yang cuagi, aging edagi kan ni ke cement factory, impi pun haknya ke dau, kata ini ke liang kesing, UAE ya ka, jiseng baru ke factory, emak po isen dia, walau kim hoi ulek ben gi, yang ki pradok prasnam gi, hoi ulek harassment gi, yang ki pradok prasnam gi, walau ki hap ugi, waburam. Yang itu renong, hap burom, yang wakre ini. Ini yang saya upai seli, em ginu, apa icentia imcong kiti, uwan ni, nam tayo kangi, nam tayo aging edai, yang burung i, wakre, ha ganika, cement factory, em ini, apa icentia. Bagai pari lela em, givi, nongtrei ada gi, Jylla yang wakre, ha givi factory, apa icentia atau wan bisa kemat. Lu AVE komplain, nakaliang yung igasin, ulay tuklari, uya klami, uya sayi, uya dai, nakapta uyoi, yang gihok, yung di trai, kau li nagi trai Jylla, nagi brutre chong i, wakre, hapo yung kanika, cement factory, UM, hapo yung isentia warok gavi.
Nya buram ay pi waro yang ga JSM yang i kam da ki ini apa company back ini company ngau ni puyua te imemlat di na i te panjing arab ina ji yang nagini gi JSM te gi pli kam ada maya gi prapanar te wan yarap ni wan gi pli chin sport company cepo Dalmia ni wan ya klam gi nei bha benta jong te krek khi yong i te kwao we kerpat o ye pi waro wa to da yo ai gi jing krek yong i te ile recommend men sini te ye pi le u ye chi ajar nu